Okay. Let's get to another video. Today is a year of content. Well, okay, I feel like I probably messed up my numbering somewhere. Because when I look at my very first video, it's supposed to be January, but... Hold on, where the hell is my videos? Your videos... Like... Not my videos, I want, like... My channel, and then we go here. Maybe the live kind of messed it up, but anyways, videos here. It is technically yeah, day one was 11 months. Ooh. I started this January 13th. Today's not January 13th. I don't know what happened. I probably messed up the numbering somewhere. What happened here? So if somebody could figure out what day I messed up, I'm off by, well, I don't know. Maybe I'm not doing the math right. But either way, I probably messed up somewhere. Hold on. Yeah, right here. I messed it up right here. Oh my god. So this caused a bunch of days to be off. Day 343, I messed up here. 44, 45, 46. So I'm off a little few days. It's not technically yeah. Wait, is that the only one I messed up, or is there more days that I messed up on? Day 343. So this would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah, 50, 52, 53. Yeah, I messed up somewhere there. Yeah, anyways, I clearly messed up, so it's not... Yeah, I messed up somewhere. So, when is January 13th? So that'll be Tuesday, next Tuesday, right? Let me see the calendar. Right, the calendar... It's supposed to be 13th. It's supposed to be next week. I'm like a few days off. By then, hopefully I'll do like a project instead. I can't think of any projects right now. And yeah, but anyways, let's do this problem. Okay, so this is a probably, hold on, let's check it. I don't know, let's read it. So path with minimum effort. Graph problem. You're a hiker preparing for hub heights. Yep. Heights row column. You're situated from the 0, 0 to the row -1, columns to the end. You can move up, down, left, right, up, down, up, down, left, right. You can move up, down, left, right, and you wish to find a route that requires a minimum effort. A minimum effort is the maximum absolute difference in heights between two consecutive cells. Return the minimum effort required to travel all the top left. Okay. The route of 1353 has a maximum effort of 2. Because of what? Oh, because 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2, 5, where the maximum of 3. These two. Okay, so take the absolute difference between every single one. Okay, this is probably like a BFS plus priority queue, which is kind of like Dijkstra's. So this is... So basically, BFS, like we search like breadth-wise, take the different... I think we're going to carry along the absolute difference at the current row or the current node. So if I'm here, we're saying the absolute difference that should be carried onto here is 1, 2, So this is the difference of 1. This is the difference of 0. This is the difference of 0. But I still need to say 0 here because that's what I should be carrying. Same thing here. Difference of 2. The 2 to, well, this, all of them are 2. So if I say here that I should be carrying whatever the difference of this was here because it's up to that point. Okay. And then our heap will sort by difference. And I'll always process those first. I'd be a little greedy, I guess. So yeah, let's do that. So basically, BFS plus PQ. Process these, I guess, smallest current difference for each node, I guess. So yeah, let's do this. I think it's not that bad. I think I can solve this pretty quickly. So while Q, so we gotta first make a Q here. We'll use a DQ. We'll also have a min heap, a priority queue. We'll call it heap. Hold on, what? Do they have max heaps now, bro? Oh, let's go. Wait, that's the latest one, right? Hold on, now we can use max heaps. Hold on, max heaps Python. Because in the recent Python version, you can use max heaps now. Max. Yes. There it is. Okay, this should work now. Wait, do I need a max heap though? No, I don't really need a max heap. I need a min heap, right? Because I want to prioritize the smallest. Yeah. Okay, it's the smallest. Yeah. Like, I want to sort by the smallest, but I need to prioritize the maximum. So priority queue. So in the DQ, we'll start with 0, 0. So the current difference is obviously 0. We'll store, I guess, like the difference inner tuple, the row call. Right? That's all I need, right? Bro. So we'll put 0 and 0 and 0. Bro, what is this shit, man? This is pissing me off. What is this process manager Firefox? Like, why do we have this shortcut? Shift escape. Oh, I accidentally pressed shift and escape. Okay. Stop doing that because I keep fucking up. Okay, so priority queue, just a heap. Oh, okay, it's just that, and then heap push the PQ with the 0, 0, 0. Yeah. Well, it will sort by this, so that'll be fun. Oh no! I don't need a DQ. Well, okay, yeah, this is fine actually. We don't need to start that. We'll do while PQ. We'll probably have a scene as well. So we don't. Okay, that's why I do that. This is what? No. Bro, I need to disable that or something. I keep accidentally pressing it. Scene. So yeah. So we'll do this for every range of length of PQ. Cur is, well, okay, we'll do the difference. The row column. Oh shoot, I should do this. Heights. No, that's fine. These are the index. That's all I care about. Oops. Yeah. Row call and then be PQ dot or not PQ, heap pop PQ PQ. So So if the row equals the last one, I guess target. Yeah, let's do this. Target equals heights -1, length of heights of 0 -1. If row call equals target, then return the difference, right? So once we have found once we're at the end, we just return the current difference we're at. And then we'll do directions. We'll add a directions thing here. So directions, we'll do this, which is gonna start, we'll do up, down, left, right? So up. So up is going to be -1, I guess, right? No, how do I go up? Yes, -1. So -1 row. Down is +1 row. Going to the left is minus left, right? So minus column and then plus column for the right. And then we'll do for every drdc in directions, we will PQ. Well, okay. So new diff, I guess, is equal to new diff is going to equal well, I don't have that yet. Let me do the height, which is heights of okay, hold on. So I need to do new dr. Okay, I need to make sure that it doesn't go out of bounds. So let's first do if row plus dr exceeds let's call this row call. No, I need the target. So that's target. We'll do target of 0 or row. Yep. So if min of row plus or plus. No, what the fuck am I saying? If the minimum of row plus dr or dc call plus dc or is basically negative, skip out of that, or call plus dc greater than target of 1. Continue. Let me make this cleaner. Okay, I need to figure out how to disable it. Okay, continue. Yeah. Either way, we skip those if we're out of bounds. If not, then we'll do heights of row plus dr call plus DC, and basically it's the ABS of height minus height of row column, and then we will basically add it back. So heap push. Now up until that point, who has a bigger difference? It's the difference we have now, or so basically the maximum of new diff, and actually more like diff and new diff. Of course, we need to push it in a heap with obviously our new row, so plus dr and call plus DC. And then if we, so we're gonna always try to find it. If we don't actually are able to find anything, it just turns out that doesn't make sense because it's probably we're guaranteed to hit target. So this doesn't really have anything purpose, but there should be an idea here. Now I missed a step here, so we don't read that. We do scene.add. We'll do row call. Regardless, we'll need to do another check, which is or the row plus dr, call plus dr is in scene. If any of those are true, then we can skip out of there. Then we calculate the height minus the previous, like the, I guess the source height, and then we do the difference, who's bigger, and yeah. So when I say here, what is the maximum difference up so far? So far it's 1, right? Even though they're all 0 here, we have to preserve the 1. So 1 will be carried over to here. What is this for? We don't need this. Yeah, so now we're good here. Oh, I see. We have a mistake. So this is a tuple that I want to store. This is a, okay, and then another one. So this is a tuple. I'll call this a node instead. Into PQ. So we want to insert this node into the PQ. This is obviously take the bigger number, their new direction, and yeah, height. Fuck it. Give it to me. Okay. Okay, that makes more sense because these are not. That's not the array I was trying to attack. Type list strings. Okay, that's why. While PQ. Infinite while loop? No. Time limit exceeded. Why is that the case? Okay, so we actually never like exit the loop. Kind of bad. Why is this the case? We have dr. Actually, let's do this. Oh, no. It needs to exceed it, because that is a valid range. Oh my god, that makes no sense. This is DC, DRDC, DRDC, DRDC. Yeah. Okay, there you go. That's a lot better. Too slow? Man, that sucks. Alright, am I doing... Why is this too slow? Well, I should probably skip it if I've seen it already. If row in row call scenes, skip it. There's no point of like checking it as well. There you go. Perfect. All right, see you guys tomorrow.